Hi guys, this is Shayanti and you are welcome to the Wow Detector. Well, all the time you might be thinking that you have to wait it out for waxing, but then suddenly some party comes where you want to wear something which will reveal maybe the tummy which you never thought of waxing, or maybe like you never know, even the underarms or the little bit of hair growth that comes back, between the weight of waxing. You need to resolve to shaving, because shaving is the way to save time. Well, I will show you how. I have used a simple razor to get rid of all the stress and also wear whatever I want anytime. So you can use a shaving foam which is easily available. All you need to do is just go to your wash basin, put a little bit of water on the portion where you think there is a little bit of growth. Just put a little bit of shaving foam. So you can just put a little bit of the shaving foam in the area where you think you have the undergrowth of the hair or a little bit of hair coming. You can use your fingers to kind of blend it in. Just remove the excess and taking a simple razor, just go downwards so that you keep to the direction of the hair growth and simply rinse it off. You can always keep a cloth napkin handy to just dab, and there you go. You have to make sure that you have to apply some sunscreen before you go out, because your skin might be a little sensitive after you use a razor. Or if it's night time, you can always apply a little bit of moisturizer so that your skin feels hydrated and also smells good. So this is about getting smooth skin instantly. In fact, if you don't have, let's say, a shaving foam, the next best option is a face wash. Now, some people have a problem with facial hair. So the thing is, when it comes to facial hair, you need to do something very simple. All you have is maybe a little hint of hair by the jawline or maybe on your upper lip, and of course your brows, which you can always get threaded, but then a better option would be to use a clipper. So it just needs a single battery to operate, and once it's on, what you do is just go to the portion where you think there is hair and simply brush it off. This is so easy, and the blade is so fine that it won't lead to any cuts on your face, so you can use it without feeling scared that you might hurt yourself in the process. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I hope you're going to try it out and let me know your feedback. Please subscribe to the Wow Detector.